Hello, I'm Herb Lewis. I help with a birding trail at the Botanical Garden. Today I want to introduce you to some of the attractions this garden has of food value for many of the bird life that comes to our garden. This is an example of one of the natural foods. It's called wax myrtle. It grows wild throughout the southeast. Here we have it planted at the garden near the Smith Lake and the walkway between that and Lonnie Lake. This is a main attraction for Myrtle warblers that come into the garden in the winter, flying from Canada, that stay here for the winter, and they will eat most of these berries during their residence here at the garden this winter. If you walk by quietly in the mornings, early, you might see 4 or 5 of the yellow lump warblers eating these berries, picking them off and devouring them. I expect these will be gone by the end of February. Just another example of what grows in the garden that's attractive to the avian wildlife.